to our Prophet Chancellor, deans, chairs, faculties, students, and my fellow batchmates. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let me begin by saying thanks to all of you. It is an honor and privilege to be here, as I'm the first foreigner student who will be the first graduate student from the IUPAT University. Today is our day as 162 batch. It is a great day for us, and we will never forget until we test a paragraph of demise. Saying farewell to you, dear graduates, is one of the most difficult tests I have been given since first joining the university 4 years ago. We have implemented IUPAT University for many things, like quality and modern education, the way that we dress up as a formal dress, showing respect for each other, the way that we behave our faculty, and also so many things that I can't concise in here. We were just stars when we joined IUPAT University, but IUPAT made us constellation. I want to be IUPAT student. We are highly appreciated too. I want to recite one verse that Allah talks about care and respect of our parents. Allah said, وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا إِمَّا يَبْلُغَنَّ عِندَكَ الْكِبَرَ أَحَدُهُمَا أَوْ كِلَاهُمَا فَلَا تَقُل لَّهُمَا أُفٍّ وَلَا تَنْهَرْهُمَا وَقُل لَّهُمَا قَوْلًا كَرِيمًا. Allah said, and you are Allah has decreed that you worship none but Him, and that you are dutiful to your parents. If one of them or both of them attain old age in your life, say not to be them aware of disrespect, nor shout them, but address them in terms of honor. So, right now I want to say thanks all of my faculty who have guided us to be the level best of learning. Especially I want to thank the agriculture faculty who guided us the right pathway for me. Secondly, I want to thank the international office who have helped us the blindness and also without hesitate. Finally, goodbyes are not there forever. Goodbyes are not at the end. It simply means I miss you until we meet again. Thanks everyone. Hope you enjoy this afternoon. God bless you.
Thank you so much, Abu Mustafa from the Department of Agriculture and Science. From this, we are going to sign off from the formal session. And we're going to take 5 minutes break for the people in the stage for the cultural gala. I'd like to request, please, be patient, hold on your break for 5 minutes. We'll be short time, we'll be right back.